2021 M340 just came through and straight piped it. We have the stock converter up there. This is where we chopped off the resonator right here. Threw it on the floor right there. And the customer, remember, previously had a muffler leak. Done. We decided to go with the stock tips. So we're gonna see how she sounds. Either do some popping and banging. Let's hear it.